Allen, Steve Kinane, Denise Scott and Barry Morgan. Thanks for watching. I've been Lawrence Mooney. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Have a drink for me. Stay safe. And we hope you have a wonderful 2015.
Oh, that was a waste of meat, wasn't it? What a great way to finish the pub quiz. And if you missed any of it, you can watch it again on Tuesday, 6th of January at 8:30 p.m. on the ABC.
What? What? I can watch it again? Please repeat that time and date because it's very loud out here and I
Yes.
may have misheard you.
Tuesday the 6th of January at 8:30 p.m. on the ABC.
Gotcha.
Now, as Toby said, it is very loud out here, or it was, because we're only moments away from midnight and the atmosphere, as you would expect, is literally electric.
That sounds a bit dangerous, Julie.
All right, figuratively
Better.
electric. And we are so close to the best fireworks you can see anywhere in the world.
World.
So start getting yourself prepared by filling your glasses, getting the best spot on the couch and finding that special person to share a midnight embrace with.
And someone I'd like to share a midnight hug with. If only he'd return my calls. It's the ABC's economic expert, Alan Kohler. Enjoy.
Turning now to what we expect the Chunder bell curve to look like for this year. A little light bathing early in the evening, mainly kids and leftover mince pies. Quite a steep rise of major Ralphing around 9 o'clock. The curve rounds up at 11:30 with near maximum mouth crying, a fair bit of yawning, a big bright chunky rainbow after midnight, and then drifting down to the other side with just a little bit of dry retching, accompanied by shouts of never again, no, never again, dear Lord, never again. And that's New Year's Eve.
The Asian Cup 2015, January 9, it begins on our ABC. You'll see every Socceroos match on ABC TV, including all their finals live. We'll deliver a matchday highlights program. Plus, ABC Radio brings you all Socceroos matches live and all finals live. It all starts January 9 with Australia Kuwait, right here on ABC. For details, abc.net.au/Asian Cup.
Wherever you are this summer,
We're putting in a pool.
binge on the best
What's the worst thing that could happen?
with iView.
Now that's a sausage. Get that in your fun hole.
Every episode of original ABC comedy crammed into a computer ready for you whenever you want over summer.
I got it.
Feast on your favourites, load up on love, and binge on the best. Chit now. Never miss a moment with iView.
Right, okay, this is it. Everyone has joined us on stage for the last moments of 2014. Don't look down, Australia, because the sky is about to explode with fireworks.
If you're watching at home, this is the time to get everyone in the room. Kids, neighbours, pets, gather around the TV and pay attention because the 60-second countdown is almost here.
It's almost here.
And at that midnight moment, when you want to find that person to kiss, Toby, how do you get the one that you want to kiss, not the one you'd rather not?
The one you want to... Oh, my technique is you kiss the one you don't want first. So kiss your second choice first.
And
then make
find
him
the
jealous.
first choice.
And then you want to end up with the one you really...
Yes.
Don't start now, because then they know. Well, now everyone knows. Start with the second choice.
Yes.
End up with the one you want to end up with,
Yes.
I reckon.
And what music are you pashing to?
The final countdown? I would like. What would you
do
do?
tonight, Phil Collins?
Dig, 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 dig. It's not really romantic, though.
I think to Chandelier with Sia, because it's all about drinking, but there's a bit of a dark undertone as well. Should you be drinking? Stop being a party girl.
It's not very New Year's Eve,
No, it's not
I
at all.
think.
Not at all. Well, we are going to be charging our glasses, if we had some.
We don't have any.
ABC cuts.
ABC
cuts.
cuts. Champagne.
Everyone. We're going to mime our glasses because we're all trained monkeys and
We
can.
had a few glasses before, but they've been sold to keep the cameras running for the last little
I know,
bit.
hold it up.
Pretend
You've got a
glasses,
flute,
that'd be
you've got a
nice.
flute. You've got a flute.
Flute has everyone got? Pretend.
And she's got nothing.
Pretend champagne.
Nothing at all.
It's
Yes.
expensive, pretend
This is what-
champagne.
this
It's
is
coming.
fantastic.
In this last minute, we present
you
you with some of the finest photos of 2014.
And we're at the final minute, people. Here we go. Hold them up.
Don't you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. Because I'm doing this for the living, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I don't feel
We just do it
we've shown the world how awesome we are.
You are.
1 billion people cannot be wrong. Thank you to City of Sydney for that amazing display.
Let's check in with the fabulous Dave O'Neill in Melbourne to see how the Victorian New Year is looking. Dave, Happy New Year to you, you gorgeous man.
Hello, Happy New Year. I'm still at the Footscray Police Station. Here I am.